Today we will start with the new topics of the lipids. I, I am Dr. Obedur Rahman. This is my first class with you. I am a professor in the Department of Biochemistry, and I will teach you the chapter of lipids. In this module, we will have some lectures about the lipids. The first today lecture is about the fatty acids. But first we will consider the lipids. So the lipids are heterogeneous or diverse groups of compounds that have some properties in common. That is, they are insoluble in polar solvent like water and soluble in non-polar solvents like ether, benzene, chloroform, acetone, वगैरह. So those compounds which are insoluble in polar solvent like water and soluble in non-polar solvent. So those organic compounds, they are generally called as lipids. This is the general definition of the lipids, is they are esters of fatty acid with alcohol. First, esters of fatty acid with alcohol. This is the fatty acid, and this is an alcohol. So the hydrogen of the fatty acid with the hydroxyl group of the alcohol will form water, while this with the fatty acid, and this will be the lipid. So lipid will be the ester of fatty acid with alcohol, with elimination of water molecule. So the lipids are esters, esters of fatty acid with alcohol. Now these are different linkages used in the medical biochemistry: ester linkage, the ether linkage, and acid anhydride. Acid, nucleic acid. That the phosphodiester bond is the acid anhydride bond. While the ester and the ether, you will study it in the lipids. All the lipids, with some exceptions, they have ester linkage. And some lipids will also have the ether linkage. We will discuss them in the right time. These are the different functions of the lipids. Number first is the energy storage. That is, lipids, mainly the triacylglycerol, triglycerides, they are energy reservoir of the body. They will provide the energy for the body. The phospholipids, they are structure of the cell membrane. We will discuss them in detail. The phospholipids, they form the structure of the cell membranes. They insulate the body and the different structures to provide the to prevent the body from the extremes of the temperatures. Cushions, that is, during at the pressure points, there are lipids which will act as a cushion to prevent damage and trauma to the underlying tissues. For example, the kidneys. The kidneys are surrounded by the pads of lipids that provide the cushion to prevent the injury to the kidneys. Precursors of the hormones, steroid hormone, prostaglandins, they are formed from the lipids. And the high fat content of the myelin sheath for fast propagation of the nerve impulse. That is, the myelinated nerves. They are enveloped by the fats and the nerve is only naked at some points, and it leads to an increase in the propagation in the nerve impulse. Acha ji. So today we will discuss the fatty acids in detail, because fatty acid form the lipids. That is, the building block of the lipid is the fatty acid. So fatty acid, esters of fatty acid with alcohol form the lipids. So the building block of the lipids are the fatty acids. And fatty acids are monocarboxylic acids. بس تصوير دي بس هو نورمال كلية Fatty acids are monocarboxylic acids. Fatty acids are monocarboxylic acids. That is, the fatty acid have a carboxylic acid group at one end of the hydrocarbon chain. You see that this is the carboxylic acid group, monocarboxylic acids. This is the carboxylic acid groups, which is present at one end of the hydrocarbon chain. CH3, CH2, CH2, इधर CH, इसी तरह जो है CH3, CH2, CH2, इधर CH. So this is the fatty acid, that is monocarboxylic acid. One carboxylic acid group at end of the hydrocarbon chain. So the carboxylic acid group at the end of the hydrocarbon chain. Numbering of the carbon atoms in a fatty acid. There are two ways. Number one is numerical method, that is starting from the carbon atom having the functional group. That is, the carboxylic acid group in this fatty acid is the functional group as carbon number 1. The next is carbon number 2, and the last carbon is carbon N. This is a fatty acid. The carbon number 1, which is also the functional carbon, carboxylic acid group, is carbon number 1. The next is 2, 3, 4, and so on. The last carbon is the carbon N. Last carbon is the carbon N. The second method is the Greek letter method. Starting from the carbon atom having the functional group as the carboxyl carbon, the next carbon is carbon alpha, and next to the alpha carbon is the beta carbon, and so on. And the last carbon is the omega carbon. This is the fatty acid. This carbon, which is the functional carbon, which has the functional group. So this carbon is the carboxyl carbon. The next carbon to the carboxyl carbon is the alpha carbon, and the next is the beta carbon, and the last one is the omega carbon. Now, we are the medical students. Don't worry about the Greek names of these carbon atoms, the rest of the carbon atoms. You will not be dealing with these carbon atoms in medical biochemistry. So the biochemistry, mind you that biochemistry is a huge subject. We will only be dealing with the medical biochemistry, which is relevant to the medical students and the patients related to the diseases. So we will be dealing with only the medical biochemistry, not the whole biochemistry.
Excuse me, sir.
जी तो या स्टूडेंट्स को अलाउ करेंगे या मैं लेक्चर दूंगा, इसमें तो दोनों नहीं हो सकते। इनको आखिर में करेंगे। फिर पहले से कहाँ थे ये लोग? कितने स्टूडेंट है?
सर बच्चे।
हाँ, now integrating the two methods. So the carboxyl carbon is carbon number 1, carbon number 2 is alpha carbon number 3 is beta carbon, and the last carbon N is the omega carbon. इसमें देखें आप, तो the carbon number 1 is carboxyl carbon. न्यूमेरिकल मेथड में कार्बन नंबर 1 है, ग्रीक लेटर में दिस इज कार्बोक्सिल कार्बन। न्यूमेरिकल मेथड में कार्बन नंबर 2 है और ग्रीक लेटर मेथड में इससे अल्फा कार्बन कहते हैं। कार्बन नंबर 3 बीटा कार्बन एंड कार्बन N इज दी, कौन सा कार्बन है बताया ना जी? ओमेगा कार्बन। ठीक है, द लास्ट वन N इज द ओमेगा कार्बन। So the carboxyl carbon, alpha carbon, beta carbon, and the last one is the omega carbon. Are carbon number 1, 2, 3, and so on, and the last one is the N carbon. Now classification of the fatty acid. It is classified on two bases. Number 1, number of the carbon atoms, and second, the presence of the double bond. On the number of the carbon atoms. स्टूडेंट्स को अलाउ करते हैं, फिर जो है बाद में नहीं करेंगे, आखिर में करेंगे। फिर योग का सुगा हाँ देखिए वो रखना। अच्छा जी, on the basis of the number of carbon atom, the fatty acids are classified into short chain fatty acid. Number 1, which have the 4 to 6 carbon atoms in the chain. Short chain fatty acid, 4 to 6 carbon atoms, and these are found in butter, coconut, and palm oil. Medium chain fatty acids, they will have 8 to 12 carbon atoms, and they are found in laurel and human milk. Human milk have the medium chain fatty acids. Long chain fatty acids having 14 to 20 carbon atoms, and they are very common, and they are found in all animal and all plant fats. Very long chain fatty acids having more than 20 carbon atoms in the chain, and they are found in groundnut and rapeseed. So on the basis of the number of the carbon atoms, the fatty acids are classified into short chain fatty acids, 4 to 6 carbon atoms, medium chain fatty acids, 8 to 12, long chain fatty acid, 14 to 12 carbon atoms, and very long chain fatty acids, more than 20 carbon atoms in the chain. And the short chain fatty acids, they are found in butter, coconut, and palm oil. while the medium chain fatty acid is they are very abundant in human milk. They are also found in laurel oil. And the long chain fatty acid, they are very common, and they are found in all animal and plant fats. 14, 16, 18 and 20 carbon atoms. Ji. Ji. कार्बन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड तो कार्बन काउंट होगा ना जी, उससे शुरू होगा 1, तो आखिर में 20 तक या 18 तक. हाँ, very long chain fatty acid, more than 20 carbon atoms, and they are found in the groundnut and rapeseed, butter, coconut oil, and the palm oil, laurel oil, and rapeseed oil. Now, second basis for the classification of the fatty acid is the presence of the double bond. And on this basis, the fatty acids are classified into saturated fatty acids having no double bond, and unsaturated fatty acid having the double bonds. The unsaturated fatty acids are further classified into monounsaturated fatty acid, MUFA, monounsaturated fatty acid, having one double bond in the whole chain of the fatty acid. And second is the polyunsaturated fatty acids, having more than one double bond in the whole chain fatty acid. One double bond and more than one. One monounsaturated, more than one polyunsaturated, PUFA. Now the polyunsaturated fatty acids are further classified into dienoic acid, trienoic acid, tetraenoic acid, pentaenoic acid, and hexaenoic acid, depending upon the number of the double bonds. Dienoic acid have the two double bonds, trienoic 2 double bonds, tetraenoic 4, penta 5, and hexa 6 double bonds. Ene is the word for the double bonds, 2 and 3 double bonds. So on the basis of the presence of the double bonds, the fatty acids are classified into saturated having no double bond and unsaturated having the double bonds. The unsaturated are further classified into monounsaturated fatty acid, MUFA, having only one double bond, and polyunsaturated fatty acid having more than one double bond. And polyunsaturated are further classified into dienoic acid having 2 double bonds, trienoic acid 3 double bonds, and so on, tetra, penta, and hexa. So the nomenclature naming the fatty acids, saturated fatty acids, they are named after their hydrocarbon chain. For example, a fatty acid with 5 carbon atoms in its chain will be named after its hydrocarbon chain, that is pentane. The last E, IC, oic acid. The last E is replaced by oic acid. So it will be pentane. The last is removed and it is replaced by the oic acid. So the pentanoic acid, the fatty acid having 5 carbon atoms, will be called pentanoic acid. Fatty acid with 5 carbon atoms with no double bond, saturated fatty acid, pentanoic acid. Similarly, the fatty acid with 6 carbon atoms is named after hexane. The E will be replaced by oic acid, hexanoic acid. Similarly, the fatty acid with 10 carbon atoms, decanoic acid. 12 carbon atom, didecanoic acid. 14, tetradecanoic acid. hexadecanoic acid 16, 18 octadecanoic acid, and 20 eicosanoic acid. And this eicosanoid is after eicosane, which is the name for 20 carbon containing hydrocarbon chain. This E will be replaced by oic acid. So eicosanoic acid, eicosane, and this will be the eicosanoic acid. सही है जी. So the 16 carbon atoms, 18, 20, they are very common fatty acids. And you see that we are dealing only with the even number of the carbon atoms in a fatty acid. Because in human body, the fatty acid having even number of carbon atoms, they are very, very common. Odd chain fatty acid, that is the fatty acid with odd number of the carbon atoms, they are very uncommon. So we are not dealing with them. So the even number carbon atom containing fatty acids, they are very common in human body. Now symbolic representation of the saturated fatty acid. Decanoic acid with 10 carbon atoms. 10, then colon and 0. Then this 10 will be for the number of the carbon atoms. 0 is for the number of the double bonds. Hexadecanoic acid, 16 is the number of the carbon atoms. After colon, we put 0, which is for the number of the double bonds, which is 0. And this means that this is the saturated fatty acid. So from the symbolic representation, this symbolic representation will give you the whole information about the fatty acid. Like this 18 colon 0 is a fatty acid having 18 carbon atoms with no double bond. So it is a saturated fatty acid. Similarly, the 20 carbon containing fatty acid, eicosanoic acid, is 20 colon 0. This is the fatty acid with 20 carbon atoms and no double bond. Now chemical names, the decanoic acid, 10 carbon containing fatty acid, hexadecanoic acid, 16 carbon containing acid with no double bond. And the common name of this fatty acid is palmitic acid. And the octadecanoic acid is the stearic acid, common name, with no double bond, saturated fatty acid. So these two are very common in the human body, and we should know the common names of these fatty acids also, palmitic acid and stearic acid. Palmitic acid is the saturated fatty acid with no double bond and 16 carbon atoms. Stearic acid, fatty acid, saturated fatty acid with 18 carbon atoms and no double bond. Now unsaturated fatty acids and monounsaturated fatty acid. For naming the monounsaturated fatty acid, the A and E of the hydrocarbon chain is replaced by enoic acid. En is the word for the double bond. So enoic acid for the monounsaturated. For naming a fatty acid with 10 carbon atoms and 1 double bond, the A and E of the decane is replaced by enoic acid. That is decenoic acid. Okay? A and E will be replaced by enoic acid, decenoic acid. A fatty acid with 16 carbon atoms and 1 double bond is hexadecenoic acid. Hexadecenoic acid. A fatty acid with 18 carbon atoms and 1 double bond will be octadecenoic acid. A fatty acid with 20 carbon atoms and 1 double bond will be eicosanoic acid. Eicosanoic acid and eicosanoic acid. Monounsaturated and desaturated fatty acid. Are these names are sufficient to describe a fatty acid with 1 double bond? बताएं जी।
No.
क्या रह गया है जी?
Position of double bond.
Positioning of
रह
the
गए
double
सर.
bond. शाबाश, positioning of the double bond. So it should be mentioned before the name. A fatty acid with 16 carbon atoms and one double bond at 9 position is named as 9-hexadecyanoic acid. ठीक है, 9-hexadecyanoic acid. So symbolic representation. A fatty acid with 16 carbon atoms and one double bond at position 9 is 9-hexadecyanoic acid, and it will be represented in this manner. This 16 are the number of the carbon atom. Then we have the colon. These two dots, they are called colon. Two dots, they are called colon. After the number of the carbon atoms, we put the colon, and then 1 is the number of the double bond. And then after 1, we have after the number of the double bonds, we have semicolon. Semicolon. And then the position of the double bonds. Okay? So this is the symbolic representation of the unsaturated fatty acid, monounsaturated fatty acid. And from this symbolic representation, we have the sufficient information about the fatty acid. That is, this is a fatty acid with 16 carbon atoms, one double bond at position 9. And you can name the fatty acid after this symbolic representation. So MCQs comes. Either you will be given the name of the fatty acid, and you will be required to select the symbolic representation of the fatty acid, or you will be given the symbolic representation of a fatty acid, and the choices will be different names of the fatty acid, and you have to select. So this is the important for MCQs. Now, polyunsaturated fatty acid like dienoic acid with two double bonds. First positions of the double bond, then the chemical name of the hydrocarbon chain with the replacement of A and E by dienoic acid. For example, a fatty acid with 16 carbon atoms and two double bonds at position 9 and 12. What will be the chemical name of this fatty acid? बताएं जी.
912 hexadecanoic acid.
जी जरा तेज बोले ना.
912 hexadecanoic acid.
हेक्सा. आपका
Decanoic
क्या
acid.
नंबर है भाई?
Hexadecadienoic acid. 912 hexadecadienoic acid.
नहीं.
So 912 hexadecadienoic.
आपका क्या नंबर है भाई? आपका क्या नंबर है? रोल नंबर बताएं जी. रोल नंबर बताएं ना. ठीक है, लेकिन रोल नंबर तो बताएं ना. आप अपना बताएं जो भी है.
118 सर.
118. जो मुझे रिस्पांस करे वो अपना रोल नंबर बताएं. और कोई रिस्पांस वाला है?
So 912 hexadecadienoic acid.
हेक्सा 912.
Hexadecadienoic acid.
ठीक है. hexadecadienoic acid. A and E will be replaced by dienoic acid. आपका क्या रोल नंबर है भाई?
50.
जी
50
हाँ,
sir.
कौन सा?
50.
50.
जी सर.
अच्छा, और कोई रिस्पांस करना चाहे तो रोल नंबर बताएं. जी
सर hexadecadienoic acid ही होगा.
अपना रोल नंबर बताएं जी.
8.
कौन सा?
8.
रोल नंबर 8. अच्छा, और कौन?
सर मेरा रोल नंबर भी लिख दे।
जी
सर माय रोल नंबर इज 179।
179।
यस सर।
अच्छा 1 बताए ना।
163 सर।
133। अच्छा
163 सर।
163।
63।
आवाज नहीं आ रही है जी आपकी।
163।
163 ठीक है जी।
यस सर।
Sir, 86.
86।
जी sir.
अच्छा चले जी, ये हो गया 912 डी का हेक्सा डी का डाई इनाइक एसिड। 912 hexa decadinic acid. Now symbolic representation of the dienic acid. 912 hexa decadinic acid. 16. Then colon 2 the number of the double bonds, and after semicolon we have to put the positions of the double bond 9 and 12. Okay, number of the carbon atoms 16. Then we colon and then the number of the double bonds, and at the last we will put the positions of the double bonds. Now, polyunsaturated fatty acid, trienic acids. First, the positions of the double bonds, then the chemical name of the hydrocarbon chain with the replacement of A and E by trienic acid. For example, a fatty acid with 16 carbon atoms and 3 double bonds at position 9, 12 and 15. क्या नाम होगा जी? रोल नंबर 50 बताएं।
9, 12, 15 hexadeca
9, 12,
9,
15
12, 15
hexa
hexa
decatrienoic acid.
हेक्साडेका
trienoic acid.
ट्राइनाइक एसिड। रोल नंबर 8 बताएं जी।
यस सर।
इसका का केमिकल नेम बताएं जी। फैटी एसिड विद
सर
16
यही 9,
कार्बन।
12, 15
जी
सर यही वाला होगा जो इन्होंने बताया 9, 12,
ना, आप
15
बताएं ना।
हेक्सा decatrienoic acid.
9, 12, 15 हेक्साडेका ट्राइइनाइक एसिड।
Trienoic.
Now symbolic representation. अपने पास लिख ले। Symbolic representation of this one 9, 12, 15 हेक्साडेका ट्राइइनाइक एसिड। लिख लिया है?
जी सर।
अच्छा सही है। Number of the carbon atoms 16. Number of the double bonds 3. And the positions of the double bonds 9, 12, 15. Similar is the case with the tetrapentaenoic acids. Now classification of the fatty acid in respect to the omega carbon atoms. The omega carbon atom is the last carbon atom of the hydrocarbon chain of a fatty acid. The distance between the omega carbon atom and the first double bond assign the fatty acid an omega family to which it belongs. The distance from the last carbon atom, that is the omega, to the first carbon atom, which will come in its way, will assign the fatty acid an omega family. For example, this is the fatty acid with 16 carbon atoms. And this is the saturated fatty acid. इसका क्या नाम है? रोल नंबर 118। रोल नंबर 118 बताएं जी। सो गया है? रोल नंबर 133 बताएं। वन 163, 179। रोल नंबर जी
सर 160
इसका नाम बताएं। जी
Sir, hexanoic acid.
ना ना ना
मतलब वो करके ना
16 carbon atom with no double bond.
Hexadecanoic acid.
Hexadecanoic acid.
अच्छा
Hexadecanoic acid.
हेक्साडिकेनोइक एसिड
Hexadecanoic acid.
बड़े
ठीक है, hexadecanoic
वो
acid.
सब
Please be attentive.
मैंने देखा था
अब जो है
Be
ये
attentive.
डबल बॉन्ड है एट पोजीशन 9.
मिलाने
नजर आ रहा है डबल बॉन्ड
जी
एट
सर नजर आ
पोजीशन
रहा
9.
है।
एट पोजीशन 9.
9 hexadecanoic acid.
9 hexadecanoic acid will be the name. ठीक है, अब इसको कौन सा ओमेगा फैमिली कहेंगे?
जब हमारे पूछ रही हूँ
You will start counting the carbon atoms from the omega carbon. ठीक है, you will start counting the carbon atoms from the omega carbon. ओमेगा कार्बन से एक और यहाँ तक आ जाएंगे डबल बॉन्ड तक. तो ये डबल बॉन्ड जो है 7 इज द डबल बॉन्ड. यहाँ पर पोजीशन 9 है, यहाँ पर 7. यहाँ से काउंट करें तो 7 कार्बन एटम पर डबल बॉन्ड है. यहाँ से काउंट करें तो 9 पर डबल बॉन्ड है. तो दिस इज काउंटिंग फ्रॉम द ओमेगा कार्बन टू द डबल बॉन्ड. We assign the fatty acid an omega family. So this fatty acid, which is 9-hexadecanoic acid, belongs to omega 7 family. सही है जी?
जी सर समझ आ गया।
समझ आ गई है?
जी सर।
Yes, sir.
Another example.
सर इसमें सर एक यूज करेंगे या दोनों सिमल्टेनियसली यूज करेंगे?
जी
सर नॉमेनक्लेचर के लिए एक यूज करेंगे ए डेटा में?
बताएं जी.
सर या ओमेगा सिस्टम से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे या ये दूसरे सिस्टम से या दोनों एक साथ?
Octadecanoic.
दोनों एक साथ. इंटीग्रेटिंग मैंने नहीं कहा है, इंटीग्रेटिंग भी हो सकता है ना. तो ओमेगा से जो है वो आप लास्ट डबल बॉन्ड पर आए तो दिस विल असाइन दी ओमेगा फैमिली.
यस सर,
ठीक है.
सर
ठीक है सर.
ये
सर ये ओमेगा सिस्टम हमारे पास सिर्फ अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स के लिए है क्या?
जी बिल्कुल अनसैचुरेटेड. A fatty acid with 18 carbon atoms and no double bond. 18. This is the. इसका क्या नाम है केमिकल?
Octadecanoic acid.
ऑक्टाडेकेनोइक एसिड.
Octadecanoic acid.
ऑक्टाडेकेनोइक एसिड।
थोड़ा स्लिमी बजे वाले आखिरी क्लास आखिरी टाइम में जाने दीजिए कि सब करेंगे. ऑक्टाडेकेनोइक एसिड. इसका कॉमन नेम क्या है?
स्टेरिक एसिड।
Stearic acid.
ठीक है. Now another fatty acid, monounsaturated fatty acid with a double bond at position 9. इसका क्या केमिकल नेम है?
9 octadecanoic acid.
9 octadecanoic acid. ठीक है. सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी आप इसका लिख सकते हैं. अच्छा, अब ओमेगा फैमिली इसको असाइन करना है तो इट विल बिलोंग टू विच ओमेगा फैमिली?
9 ओमेगा फैमिली।
Omega 9.
शाबाश, ओमेगा 9. ठीक है,
Omega 9.
ओमेगा 9. Another fatty acid which has a double bond at position 9 as well as 12. क्या नाम है केमिकल?
912 octadecanoic acid.
Octadecanoic acid.
रोल नंबर 50 बताएं.
912 ऑक्टाडेकेनोइक एसिड।
शाबाश, 912 octadecanoic acid. सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन अपने पास लिखें. with 18 carbon atoms with 2 double bonds at position 9 and 12. ओमेगा फैमिली इसको असाइन करे।
6 9 ओमेगा फैमिली।
कौन सा? ओमेगा
ओमेगा 6
फैमिली, ठीक है, ओमेगा 6 काउंटिंग फ्रॉम द ओमेगा कार्बन। दिस इज कार्बन 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, so this is omega 6.
सर इसमें तो एक डबल बॉन्ड हमारे पास जो है वो कार्बन 9 पे भी है, तो वो फिर हम
नहीं,
इसको
स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द ओमेगा कार्बन टू द फर्स्ट डबल बॉन्ड।
ओके
जो इसके ना सेकंड डबल बॉन्ड का पता तो चलता है केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर से और सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन से, लेकिन ओमेगा फैमिली असाइन करने के लिए हमने सिर्फ फर्स्ट डबल बॉन्ड को देखना है कि वो किस पोजीशन पर है। स्टार्टिंग काउंटिंग फ्रॉम द ओमेगा कार्बन, ठीक है। अनदर एग्जांपल देखें, आपको फिर समझ आएगी। 18 कार्बन एटम सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड, स्टेरिक एसिड, ऑक्टा 9 ऑक्टा डीका डिसिनाइक एसिड, 9 ऑक्टा डिसिनाइक एसिड। कॉमन नेम इसका जो है पामिटो ओलिक एसिड है, ओलियक एसिड है, ओलियक एसिड। 18 कार्बन है, ओलियक एसिड। अब 12 पर भी डबल बॉन्ड हो गया, 9 12 ऑक्टा डीका डाई इनाइक एसिड। अब 15 पर भी डबल बॉन्ड हो, 3 डबल बॉन्ड हो गए। इसका ओमेगा फैमिली असाइन करें,
ओमेगा 3
ओमेगा 3। So this is omega 3 family.
Omega 3. Omega 4.
सर जो डबल बॉन्ड टर्मिनल कार्बन के नजदीक होगा हम उसी नंबर को लेंगे ओमेगा की।
मेरा तो एक लेक्चर इस तरह है कि 1 घंटे में खत्म हो जाए तो मुश्किल है, इसलिए मैं आपको कहता हूँ। सो दिस फैटी एसिड बिलोंग्स टू ओमेगा 3 फैमिली, ठीक है। सो देयर आर डिफरेंट ओमेगा फैमिलीज, आपने देख लिए। ओमेगा 9 है, ओमेगा 7 है, ओमेगा 6 है एंड ओमेगा 3 है। Omega 6 and omega 3, they are very common. They are very common fatty acids. Now the fatty acids, आप देखें इसमें fatty acid, saturated fatty acid, unsaturated, monounsaturated, and then the polyunsaturated. Monounsaturated omega 9 fatty acids. They are found in olive oil, peanuts, almonds. In omega 6 fatty acid, they are found in corn oil, safflower, and sunflower oil. In the omega 3 fatty acids, they are found in the fish oil, shellfish oil. Similarly, the soya bean, walnut, rapeseed oil, and all the fish oils, they are saturated in omega 3 fatty acid. आपने देखे होंगे ना, ऑयल पर लिखा होगा omega 3 and omega 6 family. तो by this ऑयल के डब्बों में जो omega families है, तो we will assign the omega family according to this rule. That we will start counting the carbon atoms from the omega carbon atom to the first carbon, first double bond that is coming in the pathway. Now omega 3 is better than omega 6 fatty acids. Now a diet rich in omega 3 will lead to incorporation of the omega 3 fatty acids into human phospholipids membrane. इसको इस तरह करते हैं. The omega 6 family arachidonic acid, and the omega-3 family eicosapentaenoic acid. Now इससे जो products बनते हैं, the inflammatory products, inflammatory mediators, आपने ब्लड में पढ़ा होगा, the prostaglandins, thromboxanes, prostacyclins, ये prostacyclin है PGI2, ये thromboxanes है TXA2, इसी तरह जो है ये PGI जो है prostacyclin, thromboxane. So these inflammatory mediators, thromboxanes, prostacyclins, they are made from the different fatty acids. They are synthesized in the body from different fatty acids. जो omega-3 fatty acids से बनेंगे तो वो जो है 3 सीरीज के होंगे, और जो omega-6 से बनेंगे fatty acid से तो वो जो है 2 सीरीज के होंगे. तो यहाँ पर देखें आप, जो 3 सीरीज वाले हैं they are less potent, thromboxane, then the 2 सीरीज वाले. तो omega-3 से जो आते हैं they are less potent as compared to omega-6, which are more potent, and they are more potent as coagulant. Thromboxanes, they cause the coagulation, procoagulating. So the thromboxanes which come from the omega-3, they are less potent, so they prevent the blood clotting. So in normal blood, they prevent the thromboxanes which come from the omega-3 fatty acids. They will favor the prevention of the blood clotting, while those which come from the omega-6 family fatty acids, thromboxanes A2, they are more potent and they will favor the blood clotting. So that is why the omega-3 family fatty acids are better than the omega-6 family, while the prostacyclins, which prevent the coagulation, they are equal potency. Coming from the omega-3 and omega-6 family, they have the equal potency, while the thromboxanes, which is procoagulant, is responsible for the coagulation. The thromboxane which come from the omega-3 family, this is less potent. So that is why the omega-3 is better than the omega-6. Similarly, ये जो मैंने आपको बताया है कि omega-3 फैमिली से जो है omega-3 सीरीज वाले प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन्स बनते हैं, और omega-6 से जो है omega-2 सीरीज वाले प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन्स बनते हैं. तो दी omega-2 के जो thromboxanes है, they are potent as compared to the omega-3 से जो आते हैं, they are less potent. So the omega-3 will favor the prevention of the blood coagulation in the blood circulation. ठीक है, तो this is why the omega-3 fatty acids, they are better than the omega-6, because omega-6 are pro-inflammatory, pro-coagulatory, and omega-3 are anti-inflammatory and anti-coagulative. Normal intake, the ratio of the omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acid should be 4:1. Omega-6 is common in nature and omega-3 is less common. So the proportion of the omega-6 is 4 and that of omega-3 is 1. Now, second topic is the isobarism in the fatty acid. The common is the geometric isobarism. जी
सर omega-6 तो बहुत पोटेंट है, तो फिर उसकी डेली इंटेक में नहीं होनी चाहिए.
पोटेंट है, omega-6 पोटेंट है, लेकिन किस चीज में पोटेंट है? प्रोकोआगुलेटरी. इट काज मोर कोआगुलेशन. अगर ये बॉडी में ज़्यादा हो जाए, ये जो नॉर्मल रेशियो है, इससे ज़्यादा जो है omega-6 हो जाए, तो देट will be pro-coagulating. तो ऐसे लोगों में जो है within the blood capillaries, the blood will coagulate and will block the blood vessel, and there will be no blood supply to the target organ. ठीक है? So that is why the omega-6 is in normal proportion तो ठीक है, लेकिन ज़्यादा हो जाए तो it is pro-coagulative. Bad. सही है?
ओके सर।
Cis and trans isomerism. In cis form आपने तो ये पढ़ा होगा, cis form the two radicals are on the same side of the axis of the double bond. ये axis of the double bond है, ये one radical है, ये second radical है, ये कार्बोक्सिल साइड है, ये ओमेगा साइड। तो दोनों रेडिकल जो है they are on the same side of the axis of the double bond. ये axis of the double bond. So this is a cis, or trans on the opposite side of the axis of the double bond. So cis configuration will give a kink or bend to the fatty acid. देखें, these two hydrogen atoms around the double bond, they repel each other, causing the kink or bend in the fatty acid with double bond, cis. While trans will be a straight molecule. ये जो है एक्सिस ऑफ द डबल बॉन्ड है, एक रेडिकल एक साइड पर है, दूसरा रेडिकल दूसरे साइड पर है, तो दिस फैटी एसिड इज अ स्ट्रेट मॉलिक्यूल। यहाँ पर देखें, दिस इज द एक्सिस ऑफ द डबल बॉन्ड, one radical is on one side, the second radical is on the other side, and this is a straight molecule as compared to the cis. In cis, both the radicals are on the same side of the axis of the double bond. और इसका जो है ओलिक एसिड है कॉमन नेम, और इसका एलेडिक एसिड है, कॉमन नेम भी बदल गए हैं। Naturally occurring unsaturated long chain fatty acids, they are nearly all of cis configuration in the human body. Thus, oleic acid is L-shaped, whereas elatic acid remains straight. So, increasing the number of the cis double bonds in a fatty acid leads to a variety of possible spatial configuration of the molecule. For example, arachidonic acid with 20 carbon atoms and 4 cis double bonds. They has different kinks and is of U shape. 4 double bonds है और हर एक पर जो है ये bent हो गया है, तो this is U shape. Now this cis and trans configuration has profound significance on the molecular packing in the membranes, cell membranes, nuclear membrane, mitochondrial membrane, and on the position occupied by the fatty acid in more complex molecules such as the phospholipids. Packing में जो है इसका जो है profound significance है। अगर cis double bond की जगह जो है हम replace करें trans double bond, तो the position abnormalities आ जाएगी। ठीक है, सिस डबल बॉन्ड की जगह अगर एक फैटी एसिड सिस डबल बॉन्ड वाला है, उसकी जगह हम ट्रांस डबल बॉन्ड वाला फैटी एसिड सेल मेम्ब्रेन में रखें, तो इट विल लीड टू स्ट्रक्चर एबनॉर्मलिटी। So trans fatty acids are present in certain foods, arising as a byproduct of the saturation of the fatty acid during hydrogenation or hardening of the natural oils in the manufacture of the margarine. ये जो saturated fatty acid है, इससे unsaturated fatty acid बनाते हैं by the process of saturation, जिसको hydrogenation भी कहते हैं, और इसमें by product जो है trans fatty acid बनते हैं। So these trans fatty acids, they are injurious to the health. देखिए, this is the cis fatty acid and this is the trans. अगर cis की जगह हम trans रखें मेम्ब्रेन में, So this will lead to structure abnormality. Now, essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids are those fatty acids which are synthesized in the human body, and they are not found in the animals. We cannot take them from the outside. We have to prepare them and synthesize them in our body. These are essential fatty acids. Are those fatty acids which are synthesized in the body, and we have to take it in the diet. And they are not synthesized in the human body. Essential fatty acids, they are not synthesized in the human body, and we have to take it from the outside, especially from the plant origin. Similarly, we have the essential amino acids, and are those amino acids which are not synthesized in the human body, and we have to take it from the outside. And essential amino acid, we have to take it from both the plant and the animal origin, but the essential fatty acid, we have to take it from the plant origin. And there are two in number. Linoleic acid is a fatty acid with 18 carbon atoms with 2 double bond at position 9 and 12. इसका केमिकल नाम बताओ जी, रोल नंबर 50. सो गए हैं? रोल नंबर 50.
मैं बताऊं?
118. हाँ बताएं.
12 octa
9 12
deca dienoic acid. 9 12 octa deca
deca
dienoic acid.
912 octa deca dienoic acid. This is the essential fatty acid. ठीक है. ओमेगा फैमिली इसका क्या है? ओमेगा फैमिली बताएं.
ओमेगा 9
ओमेगा 6 18 टोटल है ना, तो 18 से 12 को माइनस करें. 12 फर्स्ट डबल बॉन्ड है, तो ओमेगा 6. ठीक है, ओमेगा 6 फैमिली. ये देखें, octa deca dienoic acid, 912 octa deca dienoic acid. So coming from the omega carbon atom to the double bond, these are the 6 carbon atoms. So this belongs to omega 6 family. Second double bond, second essential fatty acid is the alpha linolenic acid. Alpha linolenic acid. Symbolic representation is the 18 carbon containing fatty acid with 3 double bonds at position 9, 12 and 15. अच्छा, इसका जो है वो केमिकल नेम बताओ जी.
9 12 15
of tetraenoic acid.
शाबाश. ओमेगा फैमिली बताओ.
3
ओमेगा 3
So the essential fatty acids are 2 in number. One belongs to linoleic acid, belongs to omega 6 family, and the alpha linolenic acid belongs to omega 3 family. Some books have mentioned the arachidonic acid as the essential fatty acid, but actually this is not essential fatty acid. Okay? Because this is synthesized in the human body from the above two essential fatty acids. If the above two essential fatty acids are present in our diet and we are taking it regularly, so the arachidonic acid will not be an essential fatty acid. Now, functions of the essential fatty acid. Number 1 is the structural component of different membranes. Second is the synthesis of the prostaglandins and leukotrienes, जो inflammatory markers है, inflammatory substances है. We will discuss them in detail. Synthesis of the prostaglandins and leukotrienes will occur from the essential fatty acids. They prolong the clotting time. They lower the serum cholesterol level. essential fatty acids, and they have a very essential role in division. The linoleic acid synthesize a polyenic acid present in the retinol photoreceptor membrane. सही है जी? Any question?
सर ये ओमेगा फैमिलीज 7, 9 और 6, 3 के अलावा और हैं?
और तो मेरे ख्याल में नहीं है, मैंने तो ख्याल नहीं किया है, लेकिन मुझे नजर भी नहीं आया। ओमेगा 7, 9, 6, 3। जी जी जी
सर
बताएं।
जो कि बॉडी में प्रोड्यूस होते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं सर?
एसेंशियल फैटी एसिड्स, जो
एसेंशियल
ESS ये साहब ने लिखा हुआ है भाई, ESSENTIAL एसेंशियल फैटी एसिड्स।
जो कि बॉडी में प्रोड्यूस होते हैं सर।
ये हाँ, ये बॉडी में प्रोड्यूस होते हैं।
सर बॉडी में